All right, y'all, good morning. It's 7 o'clock. I'm watching my friends Margot to me while I get ready. I am having some greens and reds this morning. This is not like a super typical part of my morning, but it used to be. And I don't know, something about it just is calling to me today. So I made it in my cute little pumpkin cup. These are from TJ Maxx. It was a 2-pack. They're like the Anthro dupes, but $12.99 for 2. We love that. So yeah, I'm gonna have these while I get ready this morning. Okay, quick outfit of the day. It's giving millennial. I hate to say it, but it's raining today, and these are like my old boots that I can wear in the rain. Amazing, Lucky brand, discontinued when I was in college, girl. I've had these for a million years, and I think I might even get them resold because I love them. I just love them. But yeah, this is definitely giving millennial, and I don't know how I feel about it. I love the top. I love these boots, but I just feel like I don't think this is it anymore. But you know what? We're wearing it because I don't care. So, OOTD. Cute. So I just tried that pineapple cottage cheese. I hated it. I took like 2 bites and was like, honestly, very few things. Like, I don't have a sensitive like gag reflex or anything. Like, I'm not very sensitive to foods. I can try something, not like it. It doesn't like make me feel like I'm gonna gag, but I'm not kidding. That literally made me feel like I might be. So I'm in my car. We're having a little car lunch. I got, what was that? I think it was this thing. Unpopping. This is my little cleaning bucket of like car cleaning tools. I had my seats down because it was packed full of stuff yesterday from all those donations, and I forgot to put my seats back up. But anyways, bowl or cup rather of chicken tortilla soup. Seriously, so good at Chick-fil-A. It has a little spice. It's to die for. And then I was gonna get the 8-count grilled nug, but my app had a little coupon for free 5-count of regular nuggets, and I love free. I'm in my trying to be more frugal era. So yeah, I just got a 5-count regular nugget, a ranch because I love myself. So if I've calculated correctly, this together, the ranch and the chicken nuggets, are 400 calories, and then the soup minus the tortilla strips, they just like put them on the side, I just don't use them, is 270 calories. So we're at around 670 for lunch, which is good because all I've had today is that protein shake, because that cottage cheese, no, it wasn't the cottage cheese that was the problem. It was the pineapple. And I still think I might like it, like fresh pineapple with cottage cheese, but like that pineapple, whatever it was, I don't know. I did not like the sweetness flavor it had. It was just giving like this weird fake sugar. I don't know. It was grossing me out bad. I took like 1.5 bites and was like, I'm gonna vomit if I touch that again. So I threw it away. So we should still be good on calories and macros. Again, I'm like loosely tracking. I'm just trying to like not be so off the wagon that I'm gaining weight all through December, essentially, because it's my birthday month, it's Christmas, holidays. So just when I have like I have full choice in every meal, but you know, when I'm not out celebrating with friends, doing a date night, I just want to eat what I know makes my body feel good and is going to reach my goals, protein goals, etc. Because I do want to be building muscle. So we've got to get back into the gym a few times a week to do some strength training. But yeah, feeling good about this lunch. Also, I got one of these little mics. Have y'all seen these like on TikTok? So it plugs in the bottom of your phone and you like talk into it, and it cancels all background noise. I always try to do my voiceovers in the car, but you can hear my car, like, even though it's off, like it's making sound, it's running vehicle, and it drives me crazy, and I always feel like my voiceovers do not sound very good. I already tested the audio, like with and without it. It cancels everything in the background. This is not an ad. I'm just like honestly shocked it works so well. Great purchase. I think it was like under 20 bucks if you need one of these for some reason. I'll link it below. Oh, it's still on. Let's turn this baby off. But yeah, I just think that's so cool. And it's fun to just like hold up to your mouth. I don't know. I'm a fan. So anyways, I'm going to eat this lunch and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
That's like a good grace time.
I'm vlogging Vlogmas, so I have to get a little footage. going the vlog. Looks so good. A little lunch date. So it's just about 7 o'clock. We are parking, ready to go to trivia with our friends. Should be so fun. We haven't been. I don't think I've ever been to a trivia night ever.
Ever.
Which is crazy because I love trivia. So I'm very excited for tonight.
We're gonna rule.
We're literally gonna slay. But this will probably be the end of the vlog. So thanks for joining, and I'll see you in tomorrow's
Unless
video.
we win.
Oh yeah, if we win, we'll come in to brag, obviously.